Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Odds and Ends Tinker, and I'll be using my Stanley water pump pliers. These ones are made in Japan. Old, well used. I actually picked them up for $8 maybe about 10-15 years ago. Still very handy. Like I said, I have a lot of water pump pliers. Now, I'm going to use this on this tap here. I did a channel lock video on the same tap. This is... only use these if you do not have any other tool available, like a shifting wrench or footprint wrenches. If you don't have them, you can always use water pump pliers. Okay. So let's see about getting them all off. I mean, I can do it by hand, but I'd like to demonstrate not doing it by hand, just using the pliers. If you're wondering why the tap is dripping, that's because there's still water in the pipes, which I turned off the house valve, and that's what's inside. So you have this tumbler here, and it's a little dark in there, but that's because I don't have too much light. Okay. Just bear with me a second while I refit it. And unfortunately, because I'm using a lot of traffic out here too, because I am using a phone to record, I have to use some things I can't do with one hand. Okay, I've put it back, so let's close it off slowly but surely. We can do it. Sometimes you got to improvise if you don't have any other tools. Thankfully, I have plenty of tools, so I don't solely have to rely on water pump pliers. There we go. Well, I hope you found this video informative. Till next time, take care. This is the Odds and Ends Tinker, or if you like, Uncle Weege. Till next time, take care.